Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to add friends in Gardenscapes. If you're looking for a way to add friends in Gardenscapes, then the process is quite easy. Simply launch open your Gardenscapes application and make sure that you are connected to your Facebook or other social media platforms inside the game. If you're not yet, simply tap on the settings icon at the top right from the main home page of your game and tap on save progress and make sure that you have signed in with your Facebook account. Once you're inside, simply go ahead and tap on the friends icon located at the bottom left hand corner. Now tap on friends from the left hand side menu. Tap on the invite button in green at the bottom left and then select one of the invites option to invite a friend to your game. Select one of the options and then tap on your friends from the list whom you'd want to send the invitation to, and you will be able to forward the invitation to the person. You can also go ahead and select a friend from your phone's contact list to send invitation to. Simply tap on the green invite button and select your messaging application, type in the name of the contact you'd like to invite as a friend, and you'll be able to see the automated link typed in your message box. Simply send in the invite to the person, and after your friend accepts your invitation and once they reach to level 7, you will be able to add them on your friend list on Gardenscape. So that is how you can easily add a friend in Gardenscapes within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.